Do you want me to get you down? Huh?
Give me that cleaning. Give me that. It's Daddy.
No, it's not.
This
It is not.
is Nina's.
Well, I can use it.
No, you're not.
Do you want me to help you get down? Huh?
What is cut you? And the people will get you.
Huh?
And get apple. Get apple. No, what?
Do you want me to help you get down?
No.
Who's going to help you?
Daddy does. Get apple, Papa.
Where do you want me to go?
In Papa's room.
Here, let me help you get down.
Not yet. And not now.
Here, I'll help you.
No, not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. No. That's still not. No. Now.
Let me help you down.
Now there. Now pin the stove.
Come on.
No.
Who's going to help you?
Mom, Daddy does.
Okay. Don't call me, okay?